Hey there, Facebook. It is Lorraine here at the Detox World Healing and Training Center. I apologize. I was not able to figure out how to do the live Q&A. What we'll do is we've got our Zoom coming next Monday, and I will send out the Zoom link to everybody who I had sent out this live link for. So I apologize, it just wasn't working. Alicia was ready to hop on, and I couldn't even get the live started with the two of us. So I apologize. I hope you guys are having a beautiful evening, a beautiful morning, wherever you are. I know there was going to be some Aussie ladies jumping up today and being here, and yeah, it's just not working. So here I am by myself. Anyhow, I hope you guys are having a beautiful evening, a beautiful afternoon, a beautiful morning, wherever you are. And know that next week, same time, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard, we have a Zoom Q&A with the Pelvic ladies. And I will put that link in the comments so that everybody who has mentioned anything either in this link or in the comment that I put earlier saying that I was having technical difficulties, so that you will have it for next week the exact same time. All right, have a beautiful evening. Love you guys.